Hello? Husband, where are you?
Hello? I'm near the pond, please. Bring some.
Fish today. I'll make fish and parathas.
I'm near the pond. I'll catch some fish right now. Let's go to the middle. You'll find good fish there. Let's go a little further. We'll find a big fish somewhere here. Wow, I found a big tuna fish. Wow, what a huge tuna fish-ish. Wow, I found the biggest tuna fish today. Wow, what a huge tuna fish. Let's cut it up and cook it. Let's
Feed the poor and elderly people hot fish and dosa.
Yes, everyone should have food. Honey. We're going to the old age home soon.
Today we'll feed all these elderly people hot food with our own hands. Everyone will be able to eat comfortably.
Yes, we'll feed everyone one by one.